Welcome everyone, thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Milhouse from The Simpsons. So I have my Sharpie pen and some plain white paper. Let's start on the top center of our page with the eye. We'll start at the very top right in the middle, go all the way around, and bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to add the thick edge of the glasses on the right side. So we'll start from the very top and pull this out further and tuck that in along the bottom. In the center of the eye, let's move over towards the right and add a black dot for the pupil. Let's move over towards the left and draw the bridge of the glasses, going up and then down, round at the end, and then curve that back in. Now along the outside, we're going to draw the nose, like a large circle, going out, come all the way around, and then pull that up. Let's tuck the left eye in behind. So we're going to start right up here, draw another circle, going around, and then in behind the nose. In the center, add the pupil. And we'll add that thick edge again on the right side. Let's move to the bottom of the nose, draw the mouth. We're going to come down and out, round up the lip, curve the mouth coming across, and then up, and add a bracket on the end. Let's go halfway along the edge of the mouth, curve the lip coming down and in, and then angle this down towards the neck. Now from the bottom of the right eye, we're going to step over and draw a circle with an open end on the left side for the ear, all the way around. Let's add a fold across the top, go to the center, add a hook. Now from the bottom of the ear, it's going to step out, curve the back of the neck, coming down, and we'll close off the base of the neck. On the right side, we're going to add the arm of the glasses, coming down and out, bend that down towards the end, round at the end, and then just trace that back in. Now just above the eyes, we're going to add the thick eyebrows. Let's start with the one on the left. And bend this up and in. Let's round out the edges. And then curve the top. Let's do the same thing on the right side, going the opposite direction. Coming down and out. Round out the ends. And then curve the top. Now let's go back on top of the left eye. We're going to draw the forehead. Curve this up in behind the eyebrow, continue up towards the top. Now I want to layer the hair on top of the head. So we're going to step all the way over, curving up across that line, and bend this out and then down towards the right. Now let's draw the edge of the hair, coming down in behind the glasses, continue along the bottom towards the ear. Let's go back up to this point. I'm just going to add that part with a curve. Bend this down, in behind the glasses, and continue in behind the ear. Let's go back all the way over to the left side. I'm going to draw the top of the head. Bend this up, and then in. I'm just going to bend this across, and then down. Now, with the head in place, we're going to move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the shoulder over on the right side. So we start with a curve, almost like a half oval, going up, and then down. I want to leave a gap towards the base of the neck, close off the sleeve with a curve. Let's go to the base of the neck, curve the body coming down. Now I'm going to draw two straight lines coming down the arm. From the left side, I'm going to step in, straight down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. Now right here, add a curve for the palm, then bend the first finger coming down and out, round up the finger, and then bend that up. Now I want to add 3 fingers and a thumb along the bottom, just tucking that in. And one more curve coming up towards the wrist. Let's go to the front of the neck. And curve the body, going out and then down towards the base of the chest. Curve the belly, going out and then down. Now line up the chest over underneath the sleeve. Curve the back, coming down towards the same height. Close off the bottom, coming down, in behind the arm, and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to draw that same shoulder in behind the body on the left side. So I'm going to start right here, bend this down, round up the sleeve, and we're going to see the edge of the arm. Now just underneath the belly, we're going to step down, draw a straight line across the front of the leg, round at the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up. Now from the corner of the body on the right, step in, draw a straight line coming in behind the hand, and then down towards the shorts. Now let's draw the back side of the leg. From here, step up, curve this up, go up to the hip, step in, and close that off. Now let's draw on that front leg. We'll start with 2 straight lines going down towards the ankle. Close off the ankle with a curve. For the heel, bend this down. And then we're just going to round up the bottom of the foot. And curve the foot going up and then in towards the right side of the ankle. Let's draw that same foot over on the left side. We're going to raise this up higher. So 2 straight lines going down. Round this out. Let's curve the heel. And then we'll sign our art in that splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Milhouse from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.